back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Motorola phones. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps, click on see all apps, scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. For example, this is Bluetooth, so click on Bluetooth and click on storage and cache. Clear cache Bluetooth. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting under phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.